Heaven Peralejo, isa na daw bang Bold Star? Pinapaniwalaang nalagpasan na ni Heaven Peralejo ang mga acting projects ni Maymay sa ABS-CBN dahil sa kaliwat kanang proyekto nito ngayon na kasama ang iba't ibang artista. Yan ang usap-usapan sa Twitter, mga kaibigan, pagkatapos makita itong bed scene or itong sweet moment scene ni Heaven Peralejo and Ayan Veneracion. Nako, Heaven, may kissing scene pa, may bed scene pa, bed scene. Nako, papasukin na ba ni Heaven Peralejo na ang tawag ng iba sa kanya ay isang higad ang pagiging Bold Star? Yan ang ating aalamin sa mga darating na araw. Nako, ang sexy kasi nitong si Heaven at saka medyo may pagka sex bomb ang katawan. Nako, alamin natin yan for sure in the coming days. Isang Heaven na kinainisan ng lahat. Nako, heto, kaliwat kanan ang proyekto. Nalagpasan pa daw si Maymay sa mga proyekto nito sa acting world. Nako, let's see kung saan dadalhin ang mga paa nila, both Maymay and Heaven, sa acting world. See you soon, mga kaibigan. Dito lang sa aking channel, Alexander Dexter Jules.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, and that's getting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time? You're delirious, mysterious. You know